Hi everyone! Today we are going to read a new book. How does it work? How does a magnetic building kit work? You can use a magnetic building kit to make all sorts of shapes. There are some small magnetic rods and ball bearings in the kit. Magnetic rods, ball bearings. When you put the north end of a magnet near the south end of another magnet, they join together. This is because the opposite ends of magnets attract each other. All magnets have a south pole and a north pole. You put the ball bearings between the rods so that you can make interesting shapes. Did you know the needle of a compass is a magnet? Fact: if you put the north end of a magnet near the north end of another magnet, they will push each other away. I hope you enjoy the book. See you next time. Bye.